are the scary Antarctica discoveries scientists cannot explain. Starting off in number 10, we have the Blood Falls. In the frozen expanse of Taylor Glacier, a shocking sight perplexes scientists to this day. A 5-story cascade of what appears to be blood staining the snow in a very eerie crimson. Known as the Blood Falls, this phenomenon has a less supernatural, though still very mysterious explanation. The water, highly saline and rich in iron oxide, comes from a subglacial lake, maintaining liquid state despite frigid temperatures and creating the waterfall's unsettling hue. How the ecosystem survives and the exact mechanics behind this underground network remain largely enigmatic. In our number 9 spot today, we have the Mount Erebus Mystery Labyrinths. Mount Erebus stands as a fiery sentinel on Ross Island in Antarctica, a land usually synonymous with a cold blue wasteland. Yet this active volcano, the southernmost on Earth, defies the icy death that surrounds it, showcasing instead a geological phenomenon that boggles scientific understanding. A labyrinth of ice caves carved not by cold, but by an enduring geothermal warmth. The source of this heat is deeply entwined with Mount Erebus's own volcanic activity. The volcano, known for its persistent lava lake and frequent Strombolian eruptions, provides a geothermal energy that warms the surrounding rock and subsequently the ice above it. This heat carves out caverns and tunnels, some stretching for hundreds of meters, with ceilings aglow from sunlight penetrating the translucent blue ice. However, the real enigma lies deeper within these caves. Scientists navigating the icy catacombs have uncovered startlingly complex microbial ecosystems. These microorganisms flourish in an environment that, by all typical standards, should be too harsh and inhospitable for such intricate life. These microbes are not just surviving, but thriving, utilizing chemicals like sulfur and iron in place of sunlight for energy in a process known as chemosynthesis. This discovery propels the question, if life can endure here, in one of Earth's most extreme environments, where else might it be lurking within our solar system? The ice caves of Mount Erebus serve as a terrestrial analog for environments on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, where oceans beneath the ice shell could harbor conditions for life. Mount Erebus, with its fiery heart and icy exterior, might not just be a geological wonder. It's a tantalizing glimpse into the mysteries of life itself, holding clues that could one day unlock the secrets of existence beyond our blue planet. In our number 8 spot today, we have the accidental mummification. How does one accidentally get mummified? Well, Antarctica's extreme cold has a way of preserving history in the most unsettling forms. Seal mummies, scattered across the ice, tell a tale of creatures venturing far from their natural habitats, only to meet a very frozen end. These naturally mummified remains, some hundreds of years old, are near perfectly preserved, posing questions about sudden climate changes and very mysterious animal behaviors. In our number 7 spot today, we have the unearthly sounds. From deep within its icebergs, Antarctica emits very bizarre and almost otherworldly sounds. As ice shifts, melts, and breaks, it creates very eerie noises described as humming, moaning, or even screaming. These unsettling noises, while explainable by natural phenomenon, create an audio landscape that feels uncannily alien, leaving researchers not only awestruck, but also deeply intrigued by what secrets the ice might be whispering. In our number 6 spot today, we have the ancient microbes. In the subglacial lakes of Antarctica, life finds a way in the most extreme conditions. Scientists drilling through the ice have discovered ancient microbes suspended in a sort of biological limbo for potentially millions of years. These prehistoric organisms challenge our understanding of life and its potential existence elsewhere in the universe, raising questions faster than answers can be formulated. In our number 5 spot today, we have one of my favorites on this list, the Piri Reis Map Conundrum. The Piri-Reis map is a world map created by Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri-Reis in 1513. The map is notable for its accurate representation of South America and Antarctica, which were not officially discovered until centuries later. Of course, this means that what has puzzled researchers is the source of his knowledge. One theory is that Piri may have had access to ancient maps that are no longer in existence, such as maybe like at the Library of Alexandria, which was destroyed in a fire in the 1st century BCE. Others speculate that he may have had contact with extraterrestrial beings who provided him with advanced knowledge of geography and cartography. What makes the Piri-Reis map even more mysterious is the presence of features that are not visible in modern maps. For example, the map includes a land bridge between South America and Antarctica, which has been confirmed by modern satellite imagery. However, this land bridge was only discovered by modern science in the 20th century. Another mystery surrounding the Piri-Reis map is the presence of a series of markings and symbols that appear to depict astronomical and astrological data. Some researchers believe that these symbols may have been used for navigation or even to track the movement of the stars. Despite decades of research and study, the true source of Piri-Reis's knowledge and the purpose of the markings on the map remain a mystery, making it one of the most enigmatic ancient artifacts to this day. In our number 4 spot today, we have the Ghost Mountains. Beneath Antarctica's ice sheet, a range of mountains remains hidden, known as the Gramburtsev Mountains. These ghost mountains, never seen by human eyes, are as high as the Alps, and yet they're buried under miles of ice. Their formation contradicts our understanding of geology, leaving scientists grappling with theories about their mysterious origins. In our number 3 spot today, we have the sky anomalies. The endless Antarctic nights are home to more than just a stellar view. Researchers have documented very unusual, rapid light changes known as light blobs in the winter sky. While similar to auroras, their behavior doesn't match current atmospheric science, leaving experts baffled as they witness this unexplained Antarctic light show. In our number 2 spot today, we have the bizarre ice formations. Amidst the vast white wilderness of Antarctica, travelers may encounter a very surreal and spectacular sight. Fields of towering ice structures, sharp and spire-like, known as penitents. These peculiar formations, named after penitent monks due to their resemblance to a crowd of kneeling people, can range from just a few inches to several feet in height, with some of the most imposing ones standing as tall as a human adult. Intriguingly, the conditions that form these structures are believed to be exclusive to high-altitude regions on Earth, and remarkably on the icy plains of Pluto, as observed by NASA's New Horizons mission. The process that forms these structures is known as sublimation, where the ice and snow transform directly into water vapor, bypassing the liquid stage. This phenomenon is particularly pronounced in the ultra-low humidity conditions of Antarctica. Despite understanding the basic conditions necessary for their formation, scientists remain puzzled by the precise mechanic on how these structures evolve on a molecular level. Their intricate structure and their specific environmental conditions needed are subjects of ongoing research as experts strive to understand the complex interplay of atmospheric events, geography, and solar radiation involved in their creation. These magnificent icy formations, while explainable to an extent, continue to be a source of wonder and mystery, and a very stark reminder of the incredible, often unexplainable beauty that exists in the most remote corners of our Earth. Finally, in our number 1 spot today, we have the constant whistlers. Antarctica's magnetic field is a stage for a very uncanny natural phenomenon known as whistlers, an eerie, descending, whistle-like noise caused by electromagnetic waves in the Earth's atmosphere. They've been recorded since World War I, yet their complex interactions with the Earth's magnetosphere are still not fully understood, making them an atmospheric